Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to talk about floor mats for our 2011 Ford F-150. These floor mats come from 1A Auto. They are OE designed. They come right from Ford. They're a manufactured motorcraft product. Probably a fraction of the cost than going straight to the dealer. So they're direct fit for this vehicle. The fronts have a bit of a cutout. So if you have a manual shift, four-wheel drive shift on the floor, there is a pre-cut. You take a razor blade and cut that off and discard it. Then you just, this one has a push button, electric. So it is molded and fits perfectly right in. And to put the rear mat in, it's one big piece. It's kind of cumbersome because it's large, but best way to do it is to put the back seats up. And I think I have to go to the other side. Oh, I can get from here. So once those back seats are up, you can grab the one-piece mat. And then I can lay it right down. It's nice because it has the little rubber grips. So it'll grip right into that carpet once it settles itself down from the packaging fold. That's really good because the water will run underneath the seat instead of on the carpet. It's not a half of a rubber for the passengers in the back. Once that's in, all you got to do is put your seat back down and you're ready to roll. And for the driver's side, make sure your seat is all the way back. You're going to fish it up under the pedals first. You have the two anchor dots here, that little plastic. Push it down. This stops it from hitting the brake pedal or the gas pedal. They lock into place. Molded right to the factory floor because they are OE floor mats from 1A Auto.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.